Hi, this is Grace, and today I'm talking about AP tests. So, if you take an AP class in high school, which is a college level class, basically you'll have an AP exam in the end of the year around May. And so with each AP class that you take, there's usually one AP exam that you're expected to take. However, if you take certain classes such as microeconomics and macroeconomics, there will be two exams for that one class. And so with the exams, they typically either start in the morning or in the afternoon. And so depending on the amount of APs you take and which APs that you do take, you might end up having two exams in one day. However, it's extremely doable, and after 2 weeks, the exam testing period is over. So each exam, it lasts usually about 3 hours, and then there are two sections usually to it. There's a multiple choice section, and then there's a writing section. So for the writing section, each exam may have different types of writing styles that you're expected to do. For example, there might be a short answer question, while some exams might have long essay questions. So really make sure to study what your exam is requiring and then look over the rubrics to see how to do well and how the answers will be scored in order to get the best score possible on the exam. And so from what I've experienced, I found the best way to study for these exams is to really read the textbook that you get throughout the year, so that way you've been exposed to the concepts and the information a lot earlier than just trying to study for everything the day before. And there are many review books out there that help you study for the APs. For example, Barron's review books and Princeton Review, they're the most common, most typical types, and they're very helpful. And there's a lot more great review books out there to help students prepare. Also, if you go onto College Board, the site that gives out these exams, they've released past multiple choice questions and writing prompts for you to look over. So if you practice some of these and look over previous questions for the exam, then that's also a great tool to study and do well. And so if you do that, it's really helpful to getting a good score. And so the scores, they're typically released in over the summer. And with AP exams, they're pretty beneficial to do because it's just another thing that you can send to colleges for your college application. And, it can only help your grade if you do well and send your scores, even though it's not mandatory. And also, if you do an AP exam, it's not mandatory. You can opt out. However, I've always found that they're a great way to just test your knowledge and just a great thing to have in addition for your college application process.